It's okay, you can get them. But you need to kick your feet if you want to go get them, okay? Can you kick your feet? There you go. Good job. It's okay. It's okay. Spit out your water, okay? Don't let water come in your mouth. Spit out your water. Kick your feet. Kick your feet. Good job. The froggy's over there, isn't it? Kick, 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 Blythe. Kick, 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 Blythe. Show me your splashes. Get me wet. Woohoo, Blythe. Kick your feet. Kick your feet. You okay?
I'm going to get the frog.
Okay, go get the frog. You have to kick your feet if you want that frog. Can you kick your feet? There you go. I see your feet. Good job, Blythe.